called the bomb burst.
The bomb burst.
Bomb burst.
Okay, there we go. 4 canopies. That's what we wanted to see.
So we have our first jumper coming down. This is Second Lieutenant Ken Levins. Just graduated from the Naval Academy. Marine Corps officer now with over 490 jumps. And then coming in right behind him is Midshipman Derek Forend from right here, East Providence, Rhode Island.
This is the hometown boy, huh?
Yes, he is.
All right, probably some friends in the crowd.
Then after him, we have Midshipman John Podrowski. He's from Illinois. He's actually the captain of the parachute team next year. And then finally, up at the top is Ensign Simeon Brewster, who also just graduated from the Naval Academy, and he's going to be the one.
Oh, that was nice. C-130s, Mark Murphy will be back with some more Warbirds. And eventually your Blue Angels will be here. All right, are you ready? Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. Master Sergeant Snyder here to tell us about the F-16 demo. Driver of Shockwave. The Guinness Book of World Record truck right there. The fastest in the world, world's fastest semi, 376 in the Guinness Book of World Records. Chris, though, is the driver, and as I've said, he and his dad, Neil Darnell, operate a motorsports company with more jet trucks than anybody I've ever met. Chris has a bachelor's degree in marketing from Missouri State University, where he's following in his father's footsteps. But if you have a video of Shockwave, would you do us a favor and post it at facebook.com/shockwavejettruck. It's facebook.com/shockwavejettruck. And I am told that little Jimmy Swanson might be on board. How cool is that? He's going to get a ride. Let's watch Shockwave as he comes all the way down to the end of the runway, turns it around, and gets ready to go faster than he's ever gone before here at Rhode Island. We're hoping 370 plus miles an hour today. Let's see if they can do it. Got out the Rob Ryder radar gun. I'm ready to go. Here we go as he lines up at the end of the runway. 180, 200. What was the... Typing out a little message in the sky for us. You ready? Let's watch. That was the Geico Skytypers way of saying hello to all of us down here. Look behind us there as they approach the line of breast formation. Now they're going to change it up just a little bit in order to be...
Look overhead to your right and you'll see the 4-engine C-130J Super Hercules inbound for landing. Major Valley Air has just executed a low-altitude tactical approach at 500 feet, maximizing aircraft performance. And into position.
He's going to pop it right here so we can feel it. Get ready. Oh, here we go. I did a show with him a few weeks ago. The chaplain came up and he goes, "You think that's hot? Keep missing Sundays." Then turned around and walked off. That sucker will flat fly down the runway, and we're going to watch him here in a few seconds. 375 miles an hour. Where'd he go? Do Chris a favor, by the way. Like it on Facebook. It's facebook.com/Shockwave. On the count of one, as he likes to say. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. It is race on for Shockwave, the jet truck. He's already at 280. Jay Rabbit, we have.
Let's watch. Yep, he does it. Pulling up to the vertical. Straight into the alley-oop loop. Firing on the smoke. And it's a right knife edge through ribbon number 1. Left knife edge, ribbon number 2. Inverted, taking out that third and final ribbon.
What is the word, Rhode Island? Ba, ba, ba. There you go. Good times never seem so good. I've been inclined.
Setting up for his first aerobatic maneuver, the Cuban 8. Watch as Major Waters traces a vertical figure 8 over the demonstration area. Major Waters sets up for a maximum performance climb with a series of aileron rolls. As he pulls back on the stick, have been breaking barriers in airspace and cyberspace, resulting in a force that provides unparalleled global vigilance, reach, and power. Airmen throughout the Air Force and Air Combat Command are fully engaged as part of America's joint force in every region of the world and every mission area across a full spectrum of military operations. We have a proud history and heritage, and we will continue to ensure that these unique contributions of air power will endure long into the future. In the past year alone, the United States Air Force has flown over 16,500 combat missions supporting joint operations overseas. As proud members of an all-volunteer Air Force, we hope our performance has inspired you to serve your country alongside the professional men and women you see here in action today, either flying in the cockpit of an F-16 or on the ground carrying team that's ready to fight. On behalf of the United States Air Force, the Commander of Air Combat Command, General Mike.
Fighter aircraft in the world, your United States Air Force F-35 Lightning
behind and to the right, the F-16 Viper demonstration team proudly presents the Dedication Pass.
To celebrate the 50th anniversary of the United States Air Force. From this gathering was born the Heritage Flight, a unique visual representation of the Air Force's history, from the days of the Army Air Corps to the present. What started out as a one-time event has grown in popularity and demand, and now, Heritage Flights are performed at air shows and special events in the United States and around the world. Flying in formation today is the United States Air Force F-16, piloted by Major John Rain Waters. The United States Air Force F-35, piloted by Andrew Dojo Olson, and a World War II era P-51 Mustang, piloted by Andrew McKenna. The Mustang flying today is an American long-range fighter bomber used during World War II, the Korean War, and other military conflicts. It has a massive V-12 engine and a top speed of 437 miles per hour.
We on the airfield and the airspace. You're clear for takeoff. Have a good one. Thanks, Mo. Cleared for takeoff. Solo's ready to rock, Rhode Island, boss. Boss, we're clear for takeoff. The winds are 200 at 7. That's a tailwind. Check your parking brake off. Check your trim set. Check your nose wheel steering on. Maneuver. Echelon. Burner go. Right turn up. Ah, Daryl. Let's start up clear on 16. Let's start up for a high show. Let's turn up.
completing the roll to the right. Observe as the three wingmen smoothly shift.
That's how I interpreted that.
From the right, at 400 miles per hour, the Delta roll. All 5 wingmen maintaining position as they roll 360 degrees over center point.
We used to have it all, but now's our curtain call. So hold for the applause. Oh, 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 oh. And wave out to the crowd and take our final bow. Oh, it's our time to go, but at least we stole the show. 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 At least we stole the show.
The demonstration pilots you've been watching perform here this afternoon are but a small part of the Blue Angel team. The men and women in blue uniforms standing before you are members of the elite Blue Angel Crew Chief Anthony Petronas from Converse, Texas. Runway Alert Crew Jeff Sears from Henderson, Tennessee. Brian Lambell from San Diego, California. Ladies and gentlemen, the Blue Angel Maintenance Crew 2018.